Hello everyone and welcome to another Tunisian crochet tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet the Tunisian double and Tunisian treble stitches. I decided to put them together into one tutorial as they are very similar. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We'll start with our slip knot. And then we're going to chain the required number of chains for the number of stitches that we need. Eight, 9, 10. Okay, so I chained 10. So we are going to do our foundation row, which is essentially the same as for any other stitches that I've shown you so far. So we just need to work into the back bumps of our chains, and we'll be picking up a loop through each of these back bumps. So we are doing the forward pass of our foundation row by picking up stitches through the back loops of our chain stitches, and this will give us nice and neat bottom edge. Okay, now we've got last one, and then we are going to be we'll continue with our return pass. So we will need to chain one, so we yarn over and pull through the first loop, and then we yarn over, pull through 2, and we will work in this manner right to the end of the row. If this is your first time looking at Tunisian crochet and it seems a little bit confusing for you as to how to do this foundation row, you can pause this video and watch my video on foundation row, where I'm explaining everything slowly and you can follow along. Okay, so this is our foundation row, and now we are going to be working our Tunisian double stitches. So with Tunisian double stitches, these are slightly taller than the standard Tunisian stitch, hence we need to chain one at the beginning of the row. So we need to chain one to bring the row to the specific height of the double stitch. And now we are going to be working similarly to classic crochet double stitch, and this is in American terminology, by yarning over, and we will be working into the front vertical bar of our foundation row stitches, and we yarn over and pull up a loop. So we've got 2 extra loops on our hook. So what we need to do is we need to yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. Okay, so let's do another one together very slowly. So we'll yarn over, insert the hook from right to left under the front vertical bar of the next stitch, we yarn over, pull up a loop. So we've got these 2 extra loops on our hook, we yarn over and pull through both of these. Okay, so we are going to do another one. So we will yarn over, insert the hook from right to left under the front vertical bar, yarn over, got 2 extra loops on our hook, we yarn over and pull through both of these loops. Okay, and we are going to be working in this manner to the end of the row. So you can see these stitches are slightly taller than our standard Tunisian stitches, creating a slightly lacy fabric. Okay, so we've got 1 more bar to work into. Okay, so we yarn over and pull through 2, and now we are going to be doing something slightly different that we usually do with the last stitch. Normally we would work the end stitch into this, under these two bars, the left and right bar of the very last stitch. However, with the Tunisian double stitch, we are actually going to be working under these two loops here. So again, we will yarn over and we will work under these two bars here. Yarn over like so, over and pull up a stitch. As you can see, this will result in a stitch at the end of the row. So normally when we work our end stitch, the border on this side, on the left hand side, is nice and neat. This is not going to create a neat border, hence you might need to work some stitches into your project after you finish, if you are using this stitch. Okay, and after this it's the standard written pass of chain 1 and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to the end. Okay, so this is one row repeat. You can work this stitch over any number of stitches, and that is your Tunisian double stitch. Okay, now with Tunisian treble stitch, this stitch is going to be even taller than Tunisian double stitch, hence we will need to chain 2 at the beginning of the row. And as you might guess, we will be yarning over twice for our hook, and again we will be working the stitches into the front vertical bar of the stitch in the row below. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. You can already see this is going to be creating a rather tall stitch. Okay, so again we yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook under the front vertical bar, pull up a loop, then we yarn over twice, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, we'll be working in this manner till the end of our row, yarning over twice, inserting the hook, then we need to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, you can see these stitches are quite tall with rather large gaps between them, so it's not your usual Tunisian crochet fabric, which is fairly dense. Okay, so again let's just do a few more to finish off this row. Okay, another one. Okay, I've got 2 more of these stitches to finish off my row. Okay, and now again we are not going to be working into the side loops as we usually do in Tunisian crochet. We'll yarn over and we'll work into this top chain. Working into the top chain will prevent you of having a large gap between the very last 2 stitches. If you had worked the stitch into the side bar, there would be a rather large gap, which is not very aesthetic in this swatch. Okay, so the standard return pass is what we work for this stitch as well. So we chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way to the beginning of the row. Okay, and that's it. That's your Tunisian double stitch in the first row, and then Tunisian treble in the second row. They only differ by the number of yarn overs that you do when you crochet this stitch. For Tunisian double stitch, you yarn over your hook once, and for Tunisian treble, you yarn over twice. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share, and comment as to what other stitches, Tunisian stitches, you would like to learn. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.